Welcome to the AON Product Picks. If you're looking for the perfect DSLR without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best budget DSLR cameras in 2025, powerful, affordable, and perfect for both beginners and hobbyist photographers. Whether you're starting your photography journey or just need a reliable backup camera, we've got the best picks for performance, value, and image quality. Stay tuned to find out which DSLR offers the most bang for your buck this year. Camera with flash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our top tech picks. Number 5, Canon EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D/EOS 1500D. The Canon EOS Rebel T7, also known as the EOS 2000D or 1500D depending on your region, is an entry-level DSLR that delivers solid image quality at a beginner-friendly price. It features a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Digic 4 Plus processor, producing sharp images with good color accuracy, especially in well-lit conditions. The camera is easy to use with a guided menu system and simple controls, making it ideal for first-time DSLR users. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, transferring photos to your phone or computer is a breeze, perfect for on-the-go sharing and content creation. While the T7 lacks advanced features like 4K video and a touchscreen interface, it offers reliable Full HD 1080p recording at 30 frames per second, making it suitable for casual vloggers or YouTubers just starting out. Autofocus is limited to a 9-point system and can feel dated in live view, but it performs well through the optical viewfinder for basic shooting needs. Battery life is a strong point, outlasting many mirrorless options in the same class. For those looking to step into the world of DSLR photography without breaking the bank, the Rebel T7/2000D/1500D offers a great learning platform and the flexibility of Canon's vast EF lens ecosystem. Number 4, Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 continues to impress as one of the most user-friendly entry-level DSLRs on the market. Built around a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor and Nikon's tried-and-true X4 processor, it consistently delivers sharp, vibrant images with impressive dynamic range, even in low light up to ISO 25600. Its compact, lightweight body, just 415 g, is comfortable to hold, especially for those new to photography, and the intuitive guide mode turns technical settings into easy-to-follow choices, ideal for learning on the go. One of the D3500's standout strengths is its battery life. It captures around 1,550 shots per charge, dwarfing many mirrorless rivals and making it perfect for travel or long outings. While it may not shoot 4K video, lacks a touchscreen, and offers a basic 11-point autofocus, it excels in still photography. With Nikon F-mount compatibility and an ecosystem full of affordable lenses, it's an excellent pick for beginners focused on growth, skill development, and value. Number 3, Pentax KF. The Pentax KF revitalizes the DSLR experience by combining a lightweight, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, withstanding dust, rain, and cold down to -10 degrees Celsius, with a sharp 24.24 MP APS-C sensor and Prime M2 processor. Its pentaprism optical viewfinder delivers nearly 100% coverage and crisp clarity, while the flip-out 1.03 m display enhances versatility for low or high-angle shooting. Unique to Pentax, the KF includes in-body stabilization with up to 4.5 stops of shake reduction and pixel shift resolution for ultra-detailed stills, features usually reserved for higher-end models. This DSLR is well suited for enthusiasts stepping up from smartphone or entry-level cameras, as well as vintage Pentax users eager to leverage decades of K-mount glass compatibility. In practical use, the Pentax KF delivers solid autofocus performance, achieving reliable focus down to -3 EV and a modest 6 frames per second burst rate. Ideal for everyday photography, though not top-tier for fast-action sports. Live view benefits from a hybrid phase/contrast AF system, making it respectable for video and casual shooting. However, video remains limited to 1080p interlaced capture and basic movie functionality. Despite its heritage-inspired design, its enduring ergonomics, comprehensive features, rugged build, and attractive $700-850 price tag make it a compelling choice for DSLR lovers who appreciate tactile shooting and long battery life over bleeding-edge specs. Number 2, Canon EOS 90D. The Canon EOS 90D is a powerhouse DSLR that strikes a perfect balance between photography performance and video capability, making it a favorite for hybrid creators. Boasting a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 8 processor, It delivers incredibly sharp images with vibrant color and low noise, even in challenging lighting conditions. The 45-point all-cross Type AF system and 10 frames per second continuous shooting make it ideal for wildlife, sports and fast-action photography. Whether you're capturing stills or filming, the EOS 90D handles it all with speed and accuracy. What really sets the 90D apart for YouTubers and filmmakers is its ability to record uncropped 4K video at 30 frames per second, a rare feature in DSLRs at this level. The fully articulating touchscreen, microphone input and headphone jack offer a content creator-friendly setup right out of the box. Battery life is stellar and the build quality is solid, perfect for long shoots and travel. While it lacks in-body stabilization, pairing it with stabilized lenses solves most issues. For creators who want professional quality results without diving into the mirrorless world just yet, the Canon EOS 90D is a top-tier choice. Number 1. Nikon D7500. The Nikon D7500 is a compelling choice for enthusiasts who value speed, durability, and image quality. It inherits the same 20.9 MP APS-C sensor and XP5 processor from Nikon's flagship D500, enabling outstanding high ISO performance and dynamic range. The camera delivers 8 frames per second continuous shooting with a large buffer of around 50 RAW frames, ideal for sports and wildlife photography. Its 51-point autofocus system, updated metering with a 180K pixel RGB sensor and touchscreen tilting screen, borrowed from flagship models, enhance usability and workflow for both photo and occasional video shooters. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.